Hi guys, I am Mukhtar Joya, Director General Shaheen Shorthand System, Unseen Newspaper Notes, page number 39 and 40. Dictation speed 80 words per minute. If you want dictation on 60 words per minute, then set speed on 0.75, and if you want dictation on 100 words per minute, then set speed on 1.25. Ready, start. Institutional harmony is the foundation of institutional strength. Full stop. In Pakistan, comma, one institution displays it better than any other. Full stop. It remains the strongest. Full stop. Admittedly, comma, military command structures are unique and require unquestioning loyalty. Full stop. In a civilian environment, comma, disagreement and debate is regarded as healthy. Full stop. When this degenerates into personal attacks on the integrity and conduct of colleagues, it undermines the institution. Full stop. The new Chief Justice of Pakistan has expressed regret that certain sections of the media, comma, particularly social media, comma, scandalize judges rather than focusing on their judgments. Full stop. He has cautioned that such conduct is unprofessional and uncivilized, quite apart from being unconstitutional. Full stop. In April last year, comma, a divided Supreme Court decided to accept the Justice Issa review petitions by a majority of 6 to 4. Full stop. As has become common, comma, the decision was expressed through short orders with detailed reasons to follow. Full stop. The majority judgment setting forth these reasons was released on January 29 this year. Full stop. It is signed by all six judges who were part of the majority at the time of the short order. Full stop. One of them, comma, Justice Malik, comma, has since retired. Full stop. He was sent the detailed reasons and agreed to them. Full stop. Justice Afridi, next to his signature underneath the majority judgment, notes that he has allowed all review petitions apart from the one filed by Justice Issa himself. Full stop. He states that his reasons are set forth in his separate note. Full stop. His signature on the majority opinion indicates that he endorses it subject to the qualifications set forth in his note. Full stop. The note clarifies that he rejected Justice Issa's petition on the basis that a sitting judge should not litigate. Full stop. It is not clear what prompted the minority to address the status, comma, as opposed to the reasoning, comma, of the majority judgment. Full stop. The upshot of the majority decision was that further proceedings before any forum, comma, including the Supreme Judicial Council, comma, could not be taken against Justice Issa on the basis of action taken under the order that was recalled by the review. Full stop. The reason was simple. Full stop. Since the order was unlawful, comma, any action taken thereunder would also be tainted with this illegality. Full stop. Neither the majority short order nor the detailed judgment place Justice Issa or his spouse above the law. Full stop. In fact, the foundation of the majority opinion is that no one, including a judge, is above the law, full stop. At the same time, everyone is entitled to be treated in accordance with the law, full stop. This principle, which is enshrined in Article 4 of the Constitution, has frequently been ignored by our courts seeking to advance what they perceive is in the public interest. Full stop. Anyone on a crusade to improve the country should join politics, full stop. The majority judgment has held that even the broad power which is vested only in the Supreme Court under Article 187 of the Constitution to do complete justice is limited by the right of every citizen to be dealt with in accordance with the law. Full stop. This is welcome. Full stop. About a week after the majority had released its detailed judgment, the minority followed. Full stop. The minority judgment is authored by the CJP and has been signed by all four minority judges, indicating their concurrence. Stop rating, please.